Welcome to DERICK Launch Reviews and Bonus YouTube channel. This is my ADIMATES Video Templates review. Watch this video to the end as I will be sharing with you all the key features and benefits of ADIMATES Video Templates and why you should grab a copy today. I provide you my honest internet marketing product reviews and where to buy at a discounted price. I also give you my massive bonuses worth over $7,891 when you buy the product through my affiliate link located below this video. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell to receive an alert anytime I release a new review video about the latest launching internet marketing product. Let's get started with today's review video. Looking to buy ADIMATES Video Templates? Let me share with you the key benefits and features of ADIMATES Video Templates and why I highly recommend you grab a copy of ADIMATES Video Templates today. Before we get started, click on the link below this video to check out the bonuses you will receive when you buy ADIMATES Video Templates through my affiliate link. ADIMATES Video Templates are clever, creative video templates specifically targeting 12 popular niches. Fun, whimsical, and easy to customize with either PowerPoint or Keynote. DMs simply add their customers' logos and business information to create fun, mesmerizing animated videos in less than 10 minutes. Created by an advertising pro with over 20 years in the industry, ADIMATES were designed to wow consumers and stand out from the hundreds of other video templates currently on the market. Professional video animation with attitude. 24 professionally produced animated video templates in both wide and square formats. Fun, whimsical, original content delivered through professional voice-over talent. Each ADIMATES video template features a custom music track. No editing skills required. Works with both PowerPoint and Keynote. Just copy and paste your elements and your customized animated video can be ready for upload in less than 10 minutes. Complete step-by-step video tutorials included. All created and produced by an award-winning marketing pro with over 20 years in the industry. ADIMATES Video Templates serve up the fun as a snow cone stand in the Sahara and focus on 12 key niches including restaurants, house cleaning services, legal dentists, accounting, pest exterminators, realtors, travel, pet care, auto service, chiropractors, and plumbers. 12 big niches to target, 12 huge opportunities to bring in a boatload of cash. Best of all, with ADIMATES Video Templates, you can create captivating, customized video content in less than 10 minutes, simply using either PowerPoint or Keynote. Why should you buy ADIMATES Video Templates? There are plenty of features and countless benefits of using ADIMATES Video Templates. I have listed below the key features and benefits for you. ADIMATES Video Templates have two significant points of difference that seem to be causing quite a buzz. Number 1, their creator. After spending 20+ years as a national advertising CEO, creative director, and producer, Ben Crane noticed a void that needed filling in the video marketing niche, or an itch that needed scratching. And so he and a team of professional writers, designers, animators, and video editors created ADIMATES Video Templates to fill that void. 12 video templates targeting 12 popular niches hungry for video content. The 12 captivating ADIMATES video templates are sure to attract dozens of opportunities to drive sales. Number 2, they're fun. Why do you think YouTube is jam-packed with cats doing circus acrobats, dogs dressed up in silly costumes, and grown men and women doing embarrassing stunts even before the tequila shots were poured? Because they're fun to watch, comment on, and share. Just like ADIMATES Video Templates. ADIMATES were specifically produced in a light-hearted, whimsical style that's not too silly, not too expected, and definitely not boring. ADIMATES Video Templates are fun to watch, hard to tune out, and sure to get plenty of clicks and conversions. The front-end price of ADIMATES Video Templates is $20. Click the link below this video to visit the bonus page of ADIMATES Video Templates and check out the one-time offers prices of ADIMATES Video Templates. Thanks for watching my ADIMATES Video Templates review video. If you want to make videos the easiest way, then I advise you buy ADIMATES Video Templates now. Click on the link below to check out the bonus page of ADIMATES Video Templates, and once you make your order, all the bonuses you see on that page would be automatically delivered to you. For more internet marketing product reviews and bonuses, please subscribe to this channel.